Ano mayong hapon. In behalf of our Director at Department of Prevention Control Bureau, Director Nika Hao, our Adolescent and Children Division Chief Noel Ballesteros, together with me is the Senior Health Program Officer Mario Del Taranco. Pinakaabot po ng Department of Health Central Office ang pasasalamat sa inyong pagdalo para isulong ang programa para sa ating adolescent health. For the past weeks po, nilaunch natin yung YAPS 5 and there are good news. Decreasing yung trend ng teenage pregnancy. However, there are also not good news. Mababa po yung awareness ng HIV among adolescent and tumataas po ang depression and suicide among our adolescent aged 15 to 24 years old. And this is a good opportunity for us na nagkakasama-sama po tayo. Thank you to all public health servants from the province, from the city, our colleagues from the Department of Health, from the WHO. Thank you very much for coming kasi napakahalaga po yung ating pag-uusapan ngayon. Habang nagkakaroon po tayo ng mga strategic planning sa taas, nagbabagong struktura, kinakailangan po nating ituloy na isuot ang lente ng adolescent sa bawat isa. Kasi ito po ang malaking gap na kinakailangan nating tugunan sa mga susunod na mga araw. So with that, in behalf of our Secretary, OIC Secretary Dr. Vergere, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat and congratulations.